Are you looking for the best Garmin GPS devices? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best Garmin GPS devices on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Garmin Drive 53 Navigator. Navigating with the Garmin Drive 53 has transformed our driving experience. The 5-inch display is bright, making it easy to follow routes even under direct sunlight. We've found the touch screen to be notably responsive, which means no frustrating lags when tapping to find information or change settings. What sets this GPS apart are the driver alerts. They've consistently kept us aware of changes in speed limits and upcoming sharp turns. The peace of mind this brings, especially when driving in unfamiliar territories, is substantial. For us, the TripAdvisor feature is a game changer. Having access to traveler ratings helps us discover top-notch restaurants and attractions along our route, allowing for spontaneous yet well-informed pit stops. This nifty feature gives us a sense of adventure while ensuring we don't waste time on less-than-stellar experiences. While there's much to love about the Garmin Drive 53, some aspects could be better. When it comes to setting a destination, it's not always a breeze. The process can feel a bit clunky at times, especially compared to the smoothness of the overall interface. And although the screen is clear and bright, those of us with larger vehicles or a desire for a more expansive view may crave a tad larger display. Lastly, while the route planning is generally reliable, it does have a tendency to steer us towards major roads. This isn't always a drawback, but for those occasions when a scenic byway or shortcut is preferred, a bit of manual route tweaking may be necessary. In conclusion, the Garmin Drive 53 offers a solid balance of functionality, enhanced awareness, and travel convenience. It's been an asset to our drives, despite the few times we've had to fiddle with the destination settings or adjust our path. For anyone seeking a straightforward, dependable GPS navigator, this Garmin is certainly a choice to consider. Number 2. Garmin DriveSmart 66. The Garmin DriveSmart 66 is a reliable companion when on the move, providing crisp visuals and handy voice assistance to guide us to our destinations. With its high-resolution display, it's been a breeze to follow complex routes. The added bonus of TripAdvisor ratings and a U.S. National Parks directory made it more than just a navigator. It felt like a travel guide as we explored new areas. We especially appreciated the proactive safety features. Getting alerts about school zones, sharp curves, and speed changes increased our situational awareness on less familiar roads. Pairing it with our smartphones brought real-time data like traffic and parking into the mix, helping us avoid congested routes and find spots in busy areas without hassle. Though we found the built-in Alexa a neat addition for hands-free operation, there were moments when the voice recognition didn't perform as expected, which could be distracting. Moreover, the volume limits were noticeable during noisier drives, making it essential to keep the cabin quiet to hear the guidance. Also, mindful of the 1-hour battery life, we ensured we had a power source for longer trips to avoid any interruptions. In summary, we're largely satisfied with the Garmin DriveSmart 66, despite some room for improvement. It delivered detailed, clear navigation and connected features that were appreciated during our travels. Number 3. Garmin eTrex SE. Navigating the wilderness just became more reassuring with the Garmin eTrex SE in our pack. Its high-resolution display stood out crisp and clear even when the midday sun was at its brightest. We moved with confidence, knowing that our path was continuously updated in real time. Pairing the device with our smartphones via the Garmin Explore app was straightforward, bringing smart notifications and weather updates right to our palms. Battery longevity on this device impressed us. We ventured out for days on end, letting the Garmin eTrex SE track our journey without ever concerning ourselves about power levels. This rugged GPS shrugged off splashes and kept ticking, thanks to its water-resistant build. We experienced a bit of a challenge when first familiarizing ourselves with the many features in menu navigation. It required a dedicated sit-down to grasp the ins and outs fully. Remember to pick up a pair of AA batteries, as they're not part of the package. Its size seemed a compromise for the robust build and extended battery life, but overall, we found the device to be a solid choice that didn't weigh us down. The Garmin eTrex SE is a tool we found reliable and essential for anyone serious about their outdoor ventures. Whether you're geocaching or on a multi-day hike, this GPS won't let you wander astray. Number 4. Garmin Foretrex 801. Our treks have greatly benefited from the accuracy and reliability of this little wonder. In a recent hike through rugged terrain, Foretrex 801 consistently guided us right where we needed to be, and pairing it with the Garmin Explore app made planning our route a breeze. When night fell and visibility became a concern, the compatibility with night vision goggles shone through. Reading coordinates in pitch darkness was no challenge at all. Our conversations remained uninterrupted as well because our smartphone notifications synced seamlessly. Upon reflection, we found a few trade-offs. The monochrome screen, while crisp and clear, doesn't provide the dynamic visual experience of a color display, but in terms of readability in various lighting, it excelled. As for the wrist mount, while convenient in freeing up the hands, it's a distinct wear style that won't suit everybody. Lastly, the extra purchase of an in-reach satellite communicator is essential for the messaging aspect, which adds an extra step and expense. Number 5. Garmin dēzl OTR 610. As we used this GPS, the large touchscreen immediately grabbed our attention. It provided crisp visuals even under the bright sun. Navigating through the menu was intuitive, and touch responsiveness was on point. Inputting destinations felt as smooth as you would expect from a Garmin device. During our on-road experience, the custom truck routing was beneficial. The GPS adeptly alerted us to weight limits and low bridges, which is essential for truck drivers navigating unfamiliar routes. Moreover, utilizing bird's-eye satellite imagery, we could strategize our approach to new loading docks, which was incredibly helpful. The directory of truck services rounded off the experience well, allowing us to effectively locate truck stops with the amenities we needed en route. The ability to receive pre-pass notifications when paired with the dēzl app also showed GPS could streamlining our drive time. However, reviewing the scant customer feedback, there's a hint of inconsistency with the refurbished models. While one user mentioned their device felt like new, another had concerns about the packaging and potential for damage during shipping. A third user experienced trouble with the device, which indicated that map updates and navigation didn't function as intended. These variable experiences suggest that purchasing this model could be somewhat of a gamble. In summary, the Garmin dēzl OTR 610 displays promising features for truckers. Our first-hand testing revealed strengths in display quality and route planning, adding confidence and ease to our drives. Yet, considering the mixed reviews, we recommend potential buyers approach with cautious optimism, mindful of the potential risks of a renewed unit.